Cathy Wood is the largest institutional holder of cryptocurrencies in the world. Her unwavering faith in revolutionary projects has yielded great returns for her investment firm. Needless to say, an investor can rely on her wisdom to make investment decisions, especially in a speculative market like that of cryptocurrencies. What is Wood's take on technology that projects like Cardano is all about? Watch this video till the end to find out, and also for a few exciting ADA price predictions. Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, do tap the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out on our newest video releases. Like and share this video and show us your support. Do you think ADA is the next big crypto out there? Do tell us in the comment section below. Now let us proceed to the video. Cathy Wood's investment company, ARK Invest, holds assets worth more than $53.7 billion. Her investment portfolio is indeed very diverse. Her company has dabbled in the sectors of technology, consumer goods, healthcare, and even crypto tech, among many others. She is a firm believer in the power of new, revolutionary tech projects that other investing giants like Warren Buffett, for instance, are wary of. She says, disruptive innovation is often not priced correctly by traditional investment strategies because people may not understand how big the ultimate opportunities are going to be. Even when Wall Street has been skeptical about Wood's investment strategies, she is staunchly rooting for disruptive tech. Cathy Wood piqued the attention of the world of finance when she sold off Tesla Motors stocks worth $600 million in the month of September. She channeled this investment towards crypto-related stocks like COINBASE, ROBINHOOD, and Square. All these companies are online platforms that offer services related to cryptocurrencies. Wood has been a long-time proponent of crypto. She has exposure to the ups and downs of crypto because of her investments in leveraged stocks like COINBASE and Square. Her outlook is in fact extremely bullish when it comes to the top-performing crypto in the market, Bitcoin. Wood believes that Bitcoin is much more than just a store of value or digital gold. This is because Bitcoin has brought about a new global monetary system. She believes in the principles of the crypto, which is basically decentralization. The fact that cryptocurrencies are not subjected to the whims of policymakers is another attractive feature that she observes. In her words, Bitcoin is a hedge against the whims of policymakers, especially in emerging markets. The billionaire investor's bullish outlook on crypto is not just limited to Bitcoin. This tweet by Wood, in which she praises Ethereum's innovative technology, is proof enough for that. Along with this, in an interview with Bankless, she stated her observation that Ethereum is clearly satisfying a huge unmet need in the digital asset space. She believes that Ethereum is displaying a performance so impressive that it could potentially become a strong crypto second to Bitcoin as a reserve currency. Wood is one of those investors who recognizes the fundamental differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially in terms of developer metrics. She notes how the non-fungible token or the NFT market is resulting in a skyrocket in demand for Ethereum. From very early on, one of Cathy Wood's go-to strategies was to follow the developers of the project. Using that metric, she notes that Ethereum is rising off the charts, whereas Bitcoin is moving forth steadily. Ethereum is one among the pioneers in decentralizing finance. The NFT market is replete with potential as it incorporates a community of creators into its ecosystem. Wood's take on this scenario is that it helps the technology go viral more quickly than anyone ever expected. A new study by venture capital Outlier Ventures shows that Ethereum is the leading blockchain in terms of the number of developers operating on it. The platform has had an average of 168 monthly active developers in the past year. But what we have to take special note of is that Ethereum is closely followed by Cardano, which has 165 monthly active developers. Cardano has risen to become a leading player in crypto following its explosive growth in 2021. Its native crypto ADA was up by almost 1,200% year-to-date. At the same time, Bitcoin and Ethereum have grown by just 53% and 330% respectively. The ADA prices were driven up by the anticipation for the launch of the ALONZO hard fork. Cardano prices surged by 116% in anticipation of the hard fork launch and hit an all-time high of $3.10 on September 2nd. The launch of the ALONZO hard fork became a reality on September 12th after years of development. It was received well by the Cardano community. There was an extended delay in launching the ALONZO upgrade, due to which the Cardano development team initially faced a huge backlash. The days that followed have shown an even accelerated schedule for the creation of new smart contracts. As reported by adapools.org, by September 16th, the number of smart contracts on the network increased to above 40,000. As of now, these smart contracts are preserved in a time-lock contract that keeps them locked for a specific period of time until developers finalize their protocols and are ready to use them. Before we proceed, allow us to remind you that this video is only for informational purposes and is not meant to be investment or financial advice of any sort. The crypto market is one that is extremely volatile, and the prices of digital assets keep fluctuating frequently. It's difficult to make a definitive prediction on the price actions of cryptocurrencies. If you're planning to invest, make sure to consult a financial advisor or at least conduct a thorough research. Now let's proceed. Ryan SELKIS, the CEO of the cryptocurrency tracking site Messari, tweeted in 2020 that in 2021, Cardano would jump from the 10th rank to the 5th in terms of market cap. There are a variety of predictions pertaining to Cardano out there. If we look at all of them, we can make a generalization that ADA prices can be anywhere between $2.5 and $5 when 2021 ends. The biggest bullish take on ADA comes from the analysis platform Provisiony Bitcoin. The platform suggests that ADA will continue to climb in 2021 and hit a new all-time high of $11.79 in December as the year concludes. We will now be going through some ADA price predictions that seem feasible. EconomyWatch.com gives some impressive long-term price predictions for ADA. The future looks incredibly bullish for Cardano. In 2025, ADA is expected to reach the $10 mark. Even though the coin is hovering above $2 at the moment, an explosive growth is far from unlikely. Cardano's innovative technology has made the platform more popular. With time, Cardano can become the go-to platform for companies due to its competitive performance when compared to Ethereum. If Cardano keeps heading in the direction it is currently going in, by 2030, one ADA coin will be as valuable as $15. Longforecast.com has a slightly bearish take on ADA. The analysis predicts that Cardano will close 2021 at $1.73. By January 2022, the price will go above the $2 mark again, but will possibly hover within this range the entire year. WalletInvestor.com has a much more bullish outlook on this crypto. The website forecasts that ADA would display a growth as high as 551.35% in 5 years. This means that ADA will cross a price level of $14 by 2026 itself. Cardano will most likely close this year at around $2.69. This is indicative of the fact that Cardano is proceeding in the market in a steady fashion. The year 2022 will see Cardano opening at a price of $2.71. The coin can easily hit $5 by the end of 2022, or at least at the beginning of 2023. And now we've come to the end of the video. If you made it this far, do like and share this video. What do you think about ADA rising to be the next biggest crypto on the market? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon next to it so that you won't miss out on our new videos. Until the next video, everyone.